Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, April 25, 2025. Come to the end of the week, and it's been a crazy week. Stocks have rebounded after the big sell-off on Monday, and for the past 5 days, the Dow's up 2%, the S&P's up around 4%, NASDAQ up around 5.5%. And, to put that in perspective, the NASDAQ's still down double digits year to date. And, so there's been, a lot of selling. I don't know if we're out of the woods yet. This has been a nice rebound, but I do think there's still a lot of risks involved to the stock market, bond market, and like that. This may be nothing but just, the oversold bouncing stocks. Gold's coming back down. The dollar's bouncing. Your commodities are coming back a little bit after some sell-offs, and bond yields have come back down a little bit. So it may be the bottom might be in. I kind of think that this rally has really been on no news or contra to what the news flow is. I mean, we really didn't have great news today. The poster child's probably Tesla. Bad numbers. Not great guidance, and the stock's up 10% today alone, let alone Wednesday and Thursday. It's been incredible bounce, and I think that kind of points towards how much algorithms can influence things. Momentum traders, once something starts moving, they may jump in. And also, options trading and dealer flow influence these things. So again, the point of that is the news was terrible, but the news maybe didn't matter because of the other ways and mechanics of the markets. So again, I think there's still a lot of risk out there. The next week we have some pretty big earnings. I think from Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and like that, as well as a lot of other companies. So we'll see all of that. There have been signs of some economic slowdown, not necessarily going into recession, although we may get there. But I think right now they just showing a slowing of growth. And again, that's contra to perhaps what the last 4 days have been in the stock market. Enjoy the weekend. We'll be back on Monday. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.